what's at the heart of Yes is young people coming together, sharing their experiences of living with type 1 diabetes and really thinking about how they can make changes to their lives.
Yes is more than just like some type of intervention for people with diabetes. It's much more than that. And I feel like everyone who has diabetes or knows someone with diabetes should go into it so they can be more enriched.
Me personally, in my area, there's not that many people my age with my condition. So like, it was better for me to come here and like be introduced to more people with my condition. So that way, like, I don't feel alone. Like,
I always feel like the most learning in Yes is done in the breaks, in the fun games. The young people are having conversations with each other, rather than when you have like a nurse or a doctor speaking to them within clinic. So it's a really nice, fun, informal way to get informed, but also to have fun and meet other young people like themselves.
I think Yes gives you different perspectives on everyone else's experiences with diabetes. So like Elliot said, it's a lot of sort of collaborative learning, realising that there's other people in exactly the same situation as you and sort of gaining comfort from that. It's very different to any other educational programme.
When I first started and when I first arrived, I was a bit scared. I didn't know what to expect. I thought I was going to be around people like I didn't know. I thought I wouldn't be comfortable. But obviously when I got here and we started talking, it was really comforting to know that there's other people around. There's a bit of a support system. No one's really judgmental. Everyone's like very welcoming.
It's about getting people into the same room with type 1 diabetes. It's about looking at some common situations that they can find themselves in, like sick days, severe hypos, consultations with other medical staff. So a bit about simulation, but also a bit about emotional well-being, about sharing their diagnosis with their friends and their family, about how that can impact on themselves and others, and just really about how to gain independence with type 1 diabetes and develop their confidence in managing it.
Really helped me because I was really not confident to come in because I had a different perspective about it. And when I came, everything was different. I had people that went through similar situations that I did, and it genuinely made me feel comfortable being here. And everyone was so welcoming.
I think my main takeaway is just how important it is that clinicians do listen to young people's experiences, and I think it's such a two-way relationship. Like, the young people are getting so much out of this experience, but also the youth workers and the clinicians that are delivering it are getting such good insight for their practice. I think that's one of my real main takeaways.
I've only recently been diagnosed, so hearing people talk about how they've grown up with it and how they've lived with it, I feel like it really helped me.
I feel more at ease now in a way, because like, I'm like, yeah, it's alright. Like, anyone can get this. It was me that got it, so like, I just need to learn how to live with it, and this helped me with that.
Yes is much more than just learning about diabetes. It's much more than that. You get to do way more fun stuff.